Imagine waking up in 2027 and realizing your job no longer requires a human. It sounds like a sci-fi nightmare, but according to Elon Musk's latest update on the Tesla Optimus Gen-3, this is becoming our new reality. Experts are now warning that up to 40% of the US workforce could be displaced by humanoid robots within the next 18 months. The secret lies in the new Neuralink integration. Unlike previous versions, the Gen-3 Optimus doesn't just follow code, it learns by watching. Tesla has been training these bots using millions of hours of real-world human movement data. From stacking shelves in warehouses to performing delicate assembly line tasks, these robots don't get tired, they don't ask for raises, and they work 24/7. So who is at risk? A recent report suggests that blue-collar sectors in states like Texas, Michigan, and California are at the forefront of this shift. Logistics giants and manufacturing hubs are already testing pilot programs. Musk claims that the cost of labor will drop so significantly that the price of goods will plummet. But for the millions of Americans working in these sectors, the question isn't about cheaper goods, it's about survival. Musk argues that this will lead to a universal high-income era where robots do the work and humans enjoy the wealth. Critics, however, are skeptical. They argue that without proper government regulation, the gap between the tech elite and the working class will become a canyon. Silicon Valley is betting big on this future, but the rest of America is watching with bated breath. The year 2027 is closer than you think. Will you be replaced by a machine, or will you learn to manage them? What do you think? Is Elon Musk saving the world or destroying the middle class? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Frontier for your daily survival guide to the future. Thanks for watching.